Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your color settings on your CHiQ TV. So to do this, you're gonna press this home button, which is located right here on your Pilot. It's the little house drone on the button. So we're gonna press on that, and in the top right corner of our screen we can see the cog. We're gonna navigate there and just press on it. And from here just go to the pictures, then advanced settings, color settings, and from here we can change it to nature, warm, user, which we can customize. It will be the settings that you've actually customized yourself, and the cool. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.